what's happening? It's your girl Sun Republic. Welcome back to another video. So I have got a maintenance vlog. This is my first ever full maintenance vlog. We're waxing my eyelashes, we're doing my nails, we're doing my hair, and I want to bring you guys on this journey with me. Is it a journey or is it a vibe or on this vlog? If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Saying don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Whatever you do, just stay true and show passion. When you talk, be precise.
I took a flight for the paddock. You said be all so dramatic. I can't. Anything you want, boy, forget it.
So firstly, I am going to close my hair because I don't want to have to take a shower, and my hair is straightened, basically like silk press, and I don't want my hair to get like frizzy easily. I'm just gonna make sure that it is covered, and then I gotta wax my underarms. So gotta get rid of this underarm here. It's a little bit hot, but I like to do this in two sections. Ooh. That's a lot of hair. It's summertime, so I've decided that I want to be a hairless girl during summer, and I can have all my body hair during winter. And I have hair all over my body, like literally all over. I'm gonna do a cleanup strip. This is my cleanup strip. Ooh. And we're gonna do the cleanup strip over here. Off this one.
Okay, so this is day 2 of my maintenance day. I am currently doing my hair. I could not put in actual like braid fiber because turns out I get a allergic reaction to braid fiber, and I get pimples, my scalp becomes itchy, it just gets really irritated, and I was just like, no freaking way, because I've been wearing braid fiber for like so long. And so apparently when you get older, you get some funny things that happen to you, which is super weird. But yeah, so I'm currently putting in wool fiber in my hair, and watching anime just so that I can get this done. I started off yesterday, and I still want to get my lashes done and my nails done and my feet done, and of course I'm gonna take you guys through that journey with me, because it's maintenance day. We just want to look good, you know what I'm saying? We gotta look good, we gotta look nice. Summer's coming up. I gotta get rid of all the body hair. I like to be bald during the warmer weathers. The hair keeps me warm during winters and the colder weathers, so it's that time of the year again to go bald. This is coming out a lot thinner than I expected, but it's light, so I'm not mad about it.